Real talk, inspiring content. Stay tuned.
There is this mother, Nalo Baba, they were fighting for custody. It's like these two people, they separated, they were in a relationship, they were separated. In the Plungenzeganai, Ubaba was fighting for custody umntwana. Then lo mama lo decided to go and kill the child. Ethi ezwisa ubaba ubuhlungu.
As much as bathi amadoda izinja nabantu besifazane banabo ubunja
Ayiphinda. Which is why we encourage men to do DNA test if you are not sure that umntwana angekho. Ungavele ungafuni ukondla and uvele ungafuni ukuthi ungabi phatha loyo mntwana. Kanti at the end of the day uphethe amazwi but there is no evidence.
There's no evidence. But when intombi ikushela njengomuntu wesilisa ama chances mancane ukuthi ungayala. Umakhwapheni bhuti, when a man decide ukuthatha umakhwapheni umthatha umakhwapheni emenza umbhedo wasesibhedlela. Umakhwapheni siswami uyindawo yokupholela, uyindawo yokupholisa ikhanda, uyindawo la khona a man ayozirelieve khona masaqedile abuyele kwakhe.
Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Bafethu, welcome to Real Talk episode number 2 with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Yes, we pray and hope that you enjoyed the first episode where we dived into different things, but mainly talking about living in an abusive relationship. Sbuda
Mabunda mfethu.
Budi.
Yeah man, sibingelele yonke South Africa right mfethu.
Mina puta okay.
No, siyabingelela bafethu, uthemba ukuthi ni right. Real Talk, this time angisalibhedi legama. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. And don't forget bafethu to subscribe and like and also to comment, man. Ni comment bafethu, and we welcome you all as a family, and please don't forget to share also. Mabunda mfethu.
Sbuda,
come
right.
Right.
Man, I'm okay. I'm okay. You know, like I often prefer it when we have these conversations about and singa yilena and just get to straight to it. But this it's called June. On Sunday, I think was it the 15th? Yeah, Sunday the 15th. We were celebrating Father's Day, and we want to shout out to all fathers that are out there.
Yes.
When we speak about fathers, we do not speak about only biological fathers, but we speak about men that decided to step up and play the role of Baba. It doesn't matter whether it's a pastor, it doesn't matter whether it's a brother in the community, it doesn't matter, but there is someone out there that is playing that fatherly role. And sometimes abanye bakhulisa abo malume, those uncles, when abo baba, the biological ones, were not there, they stepped in. So I believe that namhlanje I wanted us to talk about that, something that is similar, the importance of having someone that you call a father. It might not be a biological one, but whether umuntu esifazana or you're a man, you need someone that you're gonna call a father.
But man, it's very important, especially Obaba. Because sikhuluma ngobaba, we are talking about leader. We were born to lead. You understand? So abo baba ingakho bathi ingane uma ikhula in the community, ikhuliswa community. Okushuthi ubaba uyaba ubaba noma ngakuzali ngokwenyama. You understand? So it's very important for us ukuthi abo baba babe khona, whether njoba boyichazile ukuthi umfundisi, umalume, as long as is a male. Lokho kusho khona ukuthi mabakhona kuba right. Sure.
Very personal question. Where is your father, and how close were you with your father? I don't know if you are comfortable with answering this question. And in your upbringing, I'm also gonna share mine about you don't like us asking questions, right?
No, it's fine.
But I prefer us having this raw conversation so that everyone can relate. Where is your father? One. Number two, how involved was he in your upbringing? How close were you from the time you were young? And how close were you Uma Somdala? And that kind of of briefing.
Yeah. Even though it's so sensitive, man, I understand, but but the truth is, ngizoyichaza ngendlela ingakhona. To be honest with you, ubaba washona.
Sure.
Yeah, washona, I think 2017. Yeah, 2017. But ekukhuleni kwami ngingasho ukuthi wayengekho. So mina ngasho ukuthi ngikhulisa ugogo, you understand? And indlela engakhula ngakhona shothi ngikhulisa abantu besifazane
most of the time
as much as omalume bebakhona umalume bekafika ngokuthi mhlambe inyanga mayiphelile because he was the one beka provide ekhaya, you understand? So ubaba bekahlala eGoli nomama bahlala eGoli shothi manje ba separate yabo. So for me ukukhula engekho angubonanga umthelela wakho the time ngisemncane, but ngibone sengikhulile because kunezinto engizenzayo ngingekho aware ukuthi no man la ngazuthi ngiya ofrempa kancane, but due to yalezo zinto lokho ke mabunda kwenza ukuthi manje ngicine sengenza izinto ezingekho right noma decisions angekho right because my father was not there, you understand? So njoba ngisho ukuthi ngibone manje ukuthi ithamala mali ngekho ngiyaflopa kwezinye izinto.
You know why I wanted us to go there? It's because of I wanted to also bring the side of my story.
Sure.
Honestly speaking, my dad died I think 2023.
Sure.
If I'm not mistaken, 2023, somewhere there. Which it's aksidala. I've recently, less than 2 years or so, since I've buried my father. And from the time I was young, I'd like to believe that he was there, but also absent.
Okay.
What do I mean by that?
What do you mean?
Ubaba was a truck driver. He would spend most of the time as a trucking.
Sure.
You get what I'm saying? So as a result, ngakhulisa bobhuti bam naye when he's available during those days, but sometimes he would have to travel at a long distance to be able to provide for us. So I believe that he did play a role because I've got to spend leso skati nginaye. But at the same time, sometimes ikona lento yokufila wangathi was he really there? Was he not there? You get what I'm saying? It's like a 50-50. The reason why I'm raising this, it's because of we find ourselves in this generation whereby we have both men and women that are angry at their fathers for not being there. Those things understand why they were never there. Angazi if it makes sense. Because kunokwenzeka indoda ifise kwangathi ingaba khona, but uthola ukuthi simply because of a relationship between both parents it's not okay. And now mawukhulisa umama, for example, umama influence negatively against ubaba, though ungazi ukuthi what really happened. Some of us, we find ourselves asking abazali bethu, where is my father, only to find out ukuthi sometimes he wished to be there, but mothers decided to close the door.
Lento oyishoyo but iqiniso. I've seen women balwa izimpi ngeingane egameni lokuthi ufuna ukulaya ubaba ngoba azi ukuthi inhliziyo yalomuntu wesilisa ikulomntwana. Kanti the moment athi uyamlaya umntwana uyasafari. You understand? I've seen this thing into ekhona, but it's not something that sithi singathi mhlambe into nje sibone ema movie. These things are real. Uyabona to lo muntu wesifazana, of which it is wrong. For women ukuthi basebenzise umntwana as a weapon ukuthi azogwaza lona amenze in. Then for a mere fact ukuthi ubaba show uyavela abe khona abe nobudlelwane naye, uyabona. And that's why ngisho mabunda ngithi I think in our society as abantu besifazane, as much as naxabana nalo muntu wesilisa lo baba ka boy or thought nenza in nahlangana uboy engekho and ukuhlangana kwenu kwazale kuboy, as much as nina ni separator, but lo mntwana u carry DNA ye no2. You understand?
Yeah.
So as much as akudinga wena mama no baba uyamdinga.
Ngoba but we living in a generation whereby women, they would like to label themselves as both the man and the father, simply because of their providing,
Which is a lie.
Sure. You get what I'm saying? You can never become a man. No matter you can never be a man. And let me tell you the truth, Siswami. Loyo mntwana uyamdinga ubaba wakhe. Let's say maybe ubaba wakhe wants nothing to do with the child. Because of we have fathers that are like that. Maybe ubaba rejecte umntwana simply because of agekho show around indaba ze paternity yomntwana. Uthola ukuthi it happened ukuthi around the time umama ekhulelwa ngaye bekunomuntu bekahlekisana naye cheat. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Then ubaba, based on my suspicions wake acabanga ngathi umntwana again, because these things they do happen,
which is true.
But at the end of the day, which is why we encourage men to do ama DNA test if you are not sure that umntwana angekho. Ungavele ungafuni ukondla and uvele ungafuni ukuthi ungabi part yaloyo mntwana, kanti at the end of the day uphethe amazwi but there is no evidence. Which means that it's very important as men, go out there, do that DNA test. Uthi uma urejecta umntwana rejecta based on ama facts. Ngoba iyabheda lento yethu bafethu ukuthi si reject abantwana singazi.
Yeah, which is true. And nenye into but you cannot ukuthi have a sex unprotected.
Sure.
But u expect ukuthi umuntu wesifazana angakhulele.
Sure.
Uyazi but ukuthi kunamadoda azonda abantu besifazana ukuthi ukhulelelweni.
Amzonda umuntu wesifazana.
Wesi futhi azonde nomntwana lo akhulelise lo wesifazana.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Kwangazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uma enza sex uyenza eyedwa, kanti akayenza yedwa uyenza nalo. Uma ngabe wena have sex engekho protected, obvious umntwana uzoba khona.
That's true.
You understand? Kanti kube uma nenza whatsoever nikwenza kunibe protected nani. Such things, you understand?
But you know, like, I'd like to say something that women are gonna hate me.
Sure.
Ban besifazana mina ngiyanblame sometimes.
Uba blame ngani?
Ngiba blame ngani but do you know ukuthi isikhiya se sex apart from indaba ye rape?
Sure.
For a man to have sex with a woman has to say yes.
Yes, yeah. Which is true.
You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
A woman has to say yes. Number two, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna say this thing as harsh as it is.
Sure.
Ukukhulelwa nokungakhulelwa ichoice yakho umuntu
wesifazana, which is true.
Angeke but I know but bazongihlaya but it's fine. Amakhale ayikhale makhala. Angeke mang kunama kuya prevent of kunomjovo. You do all those things as a family planning that have been introduced. Bese uyambona lo mfo ukuthi akekho right like that.
Yeah.
Uyambona he's not the responsible boyfriend or husband whatsoever, and then you still want to kulela umuntu onjalo. Now we gonna speak about my boyfriend vele because into khona ngeze into khona asikhulumi nabantu abasindisiwe kuphela. Niyayenza sex nina. Yeah, ngizoyisho lento angeke no but am I wrong?
Which is true.
They do. The audiences you get what I'm saying? So we do not only cater for people that are born again, we cater for those that are not born again.
Sure.
And even those that are not born again, they do make uqansi, they do have sex. Now, in thing show la ukuthi angeke mfethu kuya prevent kunama clean kuna yonke lento uyambona lo muntu abusive and futhi ulala nawe nangenkani some days ubuye endlini adake as forced ukulala na, then you expect unga prevent uthembeni but neilwane mvangele ama lions, they do not mate with a weakest animal. They choose who to mate to.
Like ama eagles.
Sure.
Ama eagles kuthiwa uma ngabe the female one and the male one before zizomate.
Sure.
Kuthiwa female eagle ithatha something encane engabonakali.
Sure.
Ikhuphuke nayo iye phezulu. Phezulu angisho wazi ama eagles they fly high. Iye phezulu. This one yemale yamlandela.
Sure.
Bese kuthiwa as soon as ifika phezulu bese iyeka diving. Mayiyeka diving iye phansi
Sure.
that small thing
Sure.
le male irresponsibility yayo ukuthi icinge lento
Sure.
ingakashayi phansi
Sure.
yaze yashaya phansi angayitholi shokuthi leyo male ihlulekile and that female cannot mate with that one.
Sure.
So but as soon as yayibamba yakhuphuka nasho ukuthi you are ready for ukuthi ungalala nami. So lento iqiniso Mabunda, mina I won't lie to you. Ifana nokuthi umbona umjida ukuthi akasebenzi.
Sure.
Umbona umjida as a woman ukuthi uyasafara and iwesi ke Mabunda ngokuthini kuba yilo muntu wesifazane oletha isikhaftini athathe ukudla kubo athatha amatamati athathe in ambona umjida ukuthi ulala angakadli akakhona ukuthenga igross kube uyena ozayo kuzomsupplier amnikeze in ekhaya kunempuphu anikeze umjida yethu uzomithela umjida onjalo then kusasa uma ngabe sokhulela uthi ubaba kaBoy akondle and uyamazi ukuthi akasebenzi
yo
uyezwisisa lento Mabona okusho ukuthi uyambona uhluleka nokuyithengela yena impahla zokugcoka bese expect bese uyamithela ulala naye bese ukuthi lo muntu uzokwazi ukuthengela umntwana impahla kumanje wena omthengela impahla wena futhi owenza omenzela izinto eziningi yet uma sakumithisile uthi what uyabheda akondla nani you understand Mabona
you know ngiyakunderstand kuzwa kahle because this is real talk this is what I love about it.
Sure.
Now understand something again but kunabantu besifazane kumanje unomntwana and umntwana uyabuza ukuthi ungibani ubabami uyasaba ukumtshela ukuthi ungibani ubaba who is the father and the reason being
sure
the time lo mama lo wangena kwi relationship avumile ukuthi uzoba umakhwapheni
okay oh
sizoyikhuluma
mama ke amakhwapheni
you get what I'm saying sure. Wavuma wena ucheka lo baba lo ushadile uyamazi ushadile unemali stable yambona mara ushadile wafika ko wakutshela ukuthi mfethu mina nginomfazi nginani nabantwana ngishadile or abanye bangayidisclose leyonto but at the end of the day ubone ama signs ukuthi lo muntu lo ushadile ugcine ukhulele loyo muntu anyamalala indoda eshadile ezama ukuprotecta umndeni wakhe manje akasawondla umntwana at the end of the day wena as a woman you are the one now trying to force ukuthi lo baba lo oshadile athathe responsibility kanti in the first place wawungenela relationship nomuntu oshadile ngoba there is so much chaos, there is hatred amongst amadoda nabantwana. There is just chaos in this world simply because of women that do not want to take responsibility. Baphinde bathi nasiyizi kodwa wena wangena kule relationship nalomfo wazi kahle ukuthi ushadile simply because of wena ocheka le mali akunikeza yona nalezi zinto bakuthengela zona. Bafethu, think about the consequences of your actions. Now usathandana naye, I'm sorry but sorry, I'm going to give it to you. Nawe usathandana nendoda eshadile akukabi nomntwana manje. Be careful because the day kuba nomntwana le ndoda eshadile angeke yeke lo mfazi wakhe le izondlala umntwana lo. And manje uzosafarisha umntwana because uzofuna lo baba lezinto anzela abantwana bakhe enzele nalo wenu kanti abanye angeke baba nendaba nalo mntwana wenu. Why? Uzotwana ngumakhwapheni. And manje umntwana ubhitha. So imagine the anger or create and frustration or create enganeni simply because of when you decide to kuyolala nomuntu oshadile. Nizazonda but it's fine.
But awungibambelela ngichaze lento le.
Ichaza mfokama.
But if mhlambe ngingachaza indaba yomakhwapheni.
Sure.
Uma ngaya through the core of it.
Sure.
Umakhwapheni bhuti when a man decide ukuthatha umakhwapheni umthatha umakhwapheni emenza umbhedo wasesibhedlela.
Hey. Yo. Can we drop the mic?
Umenza umbhedo wasesibhedlela.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi uma ekhaya kunzima angisho phela omakhwapheni omamkhulu baba biza ngenkanyamba.
Sure.
Kodwa umbuzo why lo baba angahlukani naye uma kodwa embiza ngenkanyamba. And uma ngabe kubheda endlini ubaba ushikhaya ayikumakhwapheni ayophola kuyena. Yingakho mhlazana sebaba right nalenkanyamba yakhe ayikhuluma kabi kuwe njengomakhwapheni akhuluma umkakhe kuwe. Uma baba right ubuyabuyela kuwe.
Yo.
uyabuye that's mawumakhwapheni siswami uyindawo yokupholela uyindawo yokupholisa ikhanda uyindawo la khona a man ayozirelieve khona masaqedile abuyele kwakhe
asivale le podcast
but that's the truth man masinga Bhuti if singalanda obaba sikhulume nabo manje ukuthi yini inhloso yomakhwapheni the reason why ngithi mina omakhwapheni abantu bokuthi umuntu wesilisayo upholisela ikhanda kubona umbuzo waya ngamali unkosikazi achubeke nomakhwapheni uyayizwa le angeke amali because akayibona ifuture nalo that is why Bhuti let me say this thing eBhayibhelini kunabo Mary kunabo Delilah kunabo Elizabeth kunabo Jezebel abo Jezebel nabo Delilah bafola in those women bakulesi sikhathi ekuthiwa bayathengisa bona nabo makhwapheni ukuthi ngiyo relieve kuyena what they do they seduce
kahle I'm sorry abo makhwapheni they are literally indirect prostitute
awuzweke usucedile
ukuthi ayinizanga naye formalize because uthandana nalo baba ushadile because ufuna into yakhe mara it's the truth you are an indirect prostitute udayisa ngomzimba but in a formal way angisho in the business world but I mean I did business at school you have what we call a formal sector and informal sector but at the end of the day the informal sector it's still a business and this other one so when you are just an informal prostitute because ubusy ugijimisana nabantu abashadile at the end of the day you know what's the most strange thing ugijimisa amadoda ashadile bese onofuna ukushada futhi and ucabanga le ndoda ozoyishada izoba loyal if wena
loyal
no nisicolele bafethu nayi into bengisafuna ukuyisho futhi remember ukuthi consequences wakho as umama womntwana or ama consequences wama actions wakho they are not only gonna affect you as a woman but they also gonna affect abantwana because umntwana uyokhula but amfuna ubaba ke what are you gonna say
Bhuti mhlawumbe omunye angathi mhlawumbe sibhesha shisha abantu besifazane nani mina there's something I've realized Bhuti about impilo abantu besifazane bane power
kakhulu
ungidlula amadoda
kakhulu
why am I saying that that is why thina Bhuti uma sishela intombi kuba kuyo ukuthi iyavuma noma iyala
you
understand
and
futhi iyakwazi nokwala ichubekele nempilo ebuchabhuda angikuthandi but when intombi ikushela njengomuntu wesilisa ama chances mancane ukuthi ungayala so ngizama ukuveza the power that women they have and number 2 lento engizoyikhuluma lana angikhulumi ngoba mhlawumbe ngithi Mabunda ngishumayela inkanuko or kanjani indoda iweak emehlweni
you
understand so and indoda ingazibona into ethize evulekile kumuntu wesifazana iphathi that man is a gone man you understand that is why even umuntu wesifazane angashonga ukuthi uyamthanda by her approach azomsajusa that man is down. You understand? So I'm trying to convey ukuthi the power that women they have. You understand? Hayi laba badlwengulayo ke leyo ke sensitive if lo umuntu wesilisa athatha ngenkani nani. But I'm trying to show ukuthi the power that women abanayo. You understand?
You know, I recently I was going through a Facebook Nepal, and then I came across a post. I think I sent a PI. No, was it on Twitter? On a Father's Day. Atila Majid, it's a private investigating company. I had nothing now post. I'm a suspect with
I'm a suspect.
Meaning to say when they were busy posting about Happy Father's Day, they were posting I'm a suspect. But asikho lapha But I came across a post put that is so painful, very painful. What is happening is there is this mother, Nalo Baba, they were fighting for a custody. It's like these two people, they separated, they were in a relationship, they were separated. In the Plungenzeganai, Ubaba was fighting for a custody umntwana. Then lo mama lo decided to go and kill the child. Ethi ezwisa ubaba ubuhlungu.
Abulala
umntana akhe but in the name of saying I'm hurting the guy. So abanye abantu besifazana but kumanje kunabantwana abakhulisayo. Ababaphathi kahle labantwana labo, bayabazonda, bayabashaya kabuhlungu, they mistreat them. Kodwa mawuthi uyacheka umthelelo sekutheni kahle intention ukuthi bafuna ukuzwiswa ubaba obuhlungu kodwa ngokushaya ingane.
So ingane ifela izono zikababwayo.
Yeah. So hence bafethu singamajida. Not only ipower ekubantu besifazana kuphela. Nathi singamajida bafethu, we need to be careful ukuthi sikhulelisa bobani. You get what I'm saying? You need to lock the doors and I warned the guys.
Yeah, not as men.
As men, we need to be careful, but because of because if you as umjida you just do it anyhow. Uzokhulelisa umuntu, number 1, who's gonna uzokuncisha access kumntwana akho. Number 2, umkhulelisa umuntu ongeke abe nendaba nomntwana. Kodwa nendaba nokuzwisa wena ubuhlungu. Uthola ukuthi ke lo muntu lona uyaphuza the whole week, akana ndaba uthi umntwana udlile, ulalephi, what's going on nomntwana. So at the end of the day, nathi as amajida, it's very important to check the type and the mental state. Not only do you check the type and the mental state, check even the type of a family
that akhulele kuyona. You know, Puti, usakhuluma le ndaba zeyitori. I was touched by articles. These are things that are real. I came across another video whereby, not a video, it's a post on Facebook. Yeah. So what happened is ngazuthi usisi bekanomntwana on a 4 month. So lo mntana on a 4 month kwasho ukuthi udibana nomjida. Lo baba umntwana wahlukana naye. Shothi umjida wabaleka okwangaziwa ukuthi uye kuphi. So this guy came and he became a stepfather. Was stepper in as a father, wakhulisa umntwana. Bathandana nje bashada kwaba right. You understand? So umntwana kuthi masakhulile makakhula umjida kushuthi wamfaka kuma medical aid, wamfundisa, wamenzela yonke into umntwana. Kwenzeka kumntwana wafika tertiary. Uma efika tertiary wa graduate, uyazi ngosuku lo graduate musu. Abazali they must be there. Kuthiwa ke kweza umama kasisi, ifamily yakubosisi, kweza no baba umntwana, the biological.
Lo abaleka.
And no sisi naye ubekhona. But now kwasho ukuthi manje space esincane. Lo stepfather okhulisela umntwana, he was one neglectwa ukuthi angene because space esigcwele. Obvious ku graduation sekunobani so biological father ne other family. And guess what, Puti? Kuthiwa mfethu yamlimaza lo mjida.
Maravele Puti, mina bebe ingamaravele. Imagine mfethu, you have paid for ama school fees lo muntu. You have taken this person ever since I was young. You literally stepped in to become a father to this particular person. Then yena azo acknowledge, I'm sorry to say this, but Springbok esabale.
And where's my ceta kubafo wamkhipha kuyo yonke into
I would do the same. I would do the
ukuthi
same.
makashona imali wakhatha wananana manje kuthiwa endlini kune tension
vele ayibe khona no ayibe khona futhi usabuyelana endlini akahamba yokubaba wakhe lo invite angisho you're not recognizing me as a father.
Sure.
Remember but if there is a difference between a sperm donor and a father.
Hey,
I'm gonna say that again. If father, it's not about blood, but it's about the role that you play as a man. Hence, when we started, I said, Abo Baba, when we speak about fathers, we do not necessarily speak about people that gave birth to us by blood, but we speak about all men in our community that decided to step up and play a role. Obu Baba, mfethu, can be an uncle that was there to protect us, to guide us, to lead us and groom us. And so when abanye, they are just sperm donors. They are not really fathers. Because of once you say you are a father, that means you are actively involved in the upbringing of your child. Your presence, your financial resources, everything that you have, it goes in to helping this person grow. As if it makes sense.
It makes sense, Puti. But the moral of the story mina ingifundise lento ukuthi as much as bathi amadoda izinja nabantu besifazane banabo ubunja
ayiphinda babheke ekamereni babuza
futhi
babheke ekamereni babuza
ngithi mina as much as nithi amadoda zizinja bakhona nabafazi abayizinja
baphenduke babe imigodo
but angeke mfowethu ustep in as a father umjida lo oyisperm donor akushile as a woman ukhulisa umntwana ustep in as a father kusasa lo muntu wesilisa lo wesperm donor afike umntwana sekakhulile that thing it destroy man baba
but kakhulu
bese niyena imvalela ngaphandle
ingakho but you know lento le but isisa to a conversation that is very sensitive.
Sure.
Ethi kunabantu abahlukana mangu kodwa bahlukana basathandana. Uthola ukuthi umuntu unomuntu nomntwana bahlukane kodwa basathandana labo bantu. Bahlukana ngama emotions. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Uma sebahlukene omunye ale maybe espan nani and then lo munye usamthanda lo munye makase abuya bavele babuyelane wena ungazi ukuthi babuyelane kanti labantu laba bahlukana bethandana and now as a guy you are like this person really loves this person
yeah but
abahlukananga
kahle you know but ayikho into destroy indoda njengale yanto ayikho into destroy indoda njengale yanto because uthi uyitshela ukuthi uhlukene nobaba omntwana kanti usamthanda and ucitha ngawe isikhathi noma ubona wena as a sponsor sokuthi uzokhulisa ingane yakhe ukuthi mangabe seyikhulile akhathi sponsor alande lo amlokho nje but ibhlungu le
yo
mina but I've learned something while manje ngikhula ngibuka impilo ngifunde lento yokuthi but ngathi kungcono ukuthi ufe real death than ubulawe usaphila but mina I've discovered something ngathi as men is that the reason why sisheshe sife noma singekho baningi emhlabeni it's because kunezinto kunemimese kunamabhomu akhulunywa ngabantu besifazane kuthina asibulale ngaphakathi but sibe sisaphila
sure
you understand that is why amadoda amaningi but abulawa oshukela abulawa high blood abulawa ilezo zifo you understand because there's so much things ezakhulunywa kithina based on a temporary situation and leyo temporal situation ihlale nendoda permanent ngaphakathi is dead. So I now understand these people bathi ngamane ngife kunokuthi ngitorture ngiphila. Buhlungabi leyo nto.
Yo. Buhlungabi.
Yeah.
Yo. Hayi wajula. Asale sivala. Yo. Yeah. That's deep. Now sesivala but sure coming to the end. This is my plea to all women out there. Be careful of izinto zenza mawukwatile.
Which is true.
Kunabantu besifazane budi abakhuleliswa ngamadoda bangabathandi. But bekathi uyenza revenge. Okusho ukuthi budi let's say usipha uthandana noSneh. Usipha ahlukane noSneh. USneh in anger ahambe ayolala noSibusiso. Sorry but
okay, but usamthanda usipha.
Usathanda usipha. Then akhuleliswe uSibusiso
athi ufuna usipha.
Afuna ukulala usipha. Futhi it wasn't even intentional. Yabona, he was just trying to get back at usipha. Ngosibusiso. Now sekunomntwana kaSibusiso kodwa umama akathanda uSibusiso uthanda usipha. So bantu besifazana, be careful of lezi zinto enizenzayo ngoba kunabantwana abavela kuma relationship are unwanted. You were just angry, you were just pissed off. Now there's a child now. Ovele ku revenge yakho. So sesivala.
Sure.
I'd like to thank all fathers that stepped up. From biological fathers that are present and active in our lives.
Sure.
To fathers that are there. And before I go there, ndoda, lwela ukuba empilweni yomntwanakho.
Sure.
Maybe ifamily ayithandi ukuthi ube involved. But uma uhamba uthenga amasweet wazi ukuthi ungena kuphi isikolo, umthengele lawa amasweet after school, that thing.
Sure.
Umntwana ngeke aze ayikhohlwe. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
Kunabo baba but that wish to be involved empilweni zabantwana babo, but simply because of abomama nama families, they are unable to play that role. Please bafu, do your means to fight. And number 2, I'll repeat this thing. I once shot a video but encouraging men to document things. Njengoba ulwa usenda ama text ngicela ukubona umntwana bala bakuthuka, njengoba ulethe imali oyenza yonke lezi zinto lezo uzenzayo, documenta lezo zinto.
Sure.
Ngoba eqinisweni umntwana uyakhula. And uyothi makase akhulile kulo poison lo abamfakile, believe me, umntwana one day will want to hear the side of your story.
Yeah.
And inside of the story sakho sokuthi you tried to reach out, those voice notes, those Facebook text, WhatsApp text, ama videos uma uyovakasha bakuvalela, keep those things. One day uyothi umntwana ekhula umkhombisi evidence, angeke bamfihla forever. So uyothi 18 19
hey,
and masa khulile uyothi ngifuna ubabam, and the day amfuna, bring your evidence to say bafo they tried to reaching out, bebangivalela. This is the proof. The last words?
I know say uqedile uqibile.
Uqedile ngicibile. Hawu man.
Real talk.
Real talk with amadoda nangisuumuzi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Siyabonga.